Today we are going to learn chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 of simple present tense, so called present indefinite tense. And under it we are learning compound sentences. And today I am going to give you compound sentences part 2. As you all know, in part 1, compound sentences part 1, I have introduced use number 1 and use number 2. It means because and that's why. These two structures I have introduced by telling you this, that how compound sentences are created when two independent sentences are connected to with a conjunction and create a new example. So this is the chapter is all about. So far I have given you two structures and two are still left to be taught. So my plan is to give you two more structures regarding compound sentences. So now I can show you that what I am gonna give you. So there are two structures, use number 3 and use number 4. You can read structure, both of the structures you can read very easily. The reason why, thereafter subject, verb / V5 plus other word. Thereafter new thing, what is the new thing today that I have added? After is, look at after is plus simply because, and vana is as it is. And use number 4, if you see, there will be two words new, which are so that and in order that. So today I will tell you everything so clearly कि how can we make 4 types of sentences at the same point of time. And at the same point of time, how can we create 4 examples? I would like to show you that. Let's start with use number 1. Like I earn money because I wanna spend money. I earn money because I wanna spend money. हिंदी क्या होगा कि मैं पैसे कमाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं पैसे खर्च करना चाहता हूँ. Let's make same sentence in a different way. Like लास्ट वाले को आय कर देते हैं. I wanna spend money that's why I earn Look at next. As far as that's why is concerned, I wanna spend money, that's why I earn money. And I earn money because I wanna spend money. And next, I wanna spend money, that's why I earn money. So two more I'm gonna create from same composition. Like see, the reason why I earn money is simply because I wanna spend money. Look at use number 3. The reason why I earn money is simply because I wanna spend money. What does it mean? कि मेरा पैसे कमाने का कारण सिर्फ यह है क्योंकि मैं पैसे खर्च करना चाहता हूँ. Getting my point? Look at next. I earn money so that I can spend money. Look at next. Here the meaning of so that is taki. The Hindi meaning of सो दैट, इन ऑर्डर दैट इज ताकि। अब देखो ध्यान से, और यहाँ पर कैन का मीनिंग होगा सकूं, सकूं या फिर सके। यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि व्हेन यू आर यूजिंग कैन, द हिंदी विल बी सकूं या फिर सके या फिर सकें। लुक एट एन एग्जाम्पल, आई अर्न मनी सो दैट आई कैन स्पेंड मनी, यानी मैं पैसे कमाता हूँ ताकि मैं पैसे खर्च कर सकूँ। सो इन दिस वे यू कैन क्रिएट lot of examples. One more example I would like to show you with he. He plays win. He plays because he wanna win, and here he wanna win, therefore he plays. Look at that. He wanna win, therefore he plays. हिंदी क्या होगा कि वह खेलता है क्योंकि वह जीतना चाहता है, और वह जीतना चाहता है इसीलिए वह खेलता है। अब यहाँ क्या बनेगा? द रीजन वाई ही प्लेज इज सिंपली बिकॉज ही वाना Look at an example. The reason why he plays is simply because he wanna win, which means कारण यह है उसका खेलने का क्योंकि वह जीतना चाहता है। और लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, he plays in order that he can win. He can win. He plays in order that he can win. In order that, right? इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि वह खेलता है ताकि वह जीत सके। As simple as that. तो यहाँ पर एक चीज़ याद रखना कि अगर यहाँ पर in order that है तो which means ताकि, अगर यहाँ पर in order to लगा हुआ है यानी दैट की जगह पर टू लगा हुआ है तो वो हो जाएगा के लिए। जैसे इन ऑर्डर टू गो, इन ऑर्डर टू डांस, आई गो टू मार्केट इन ऑर्डर टू परचेज वेजिटेबल, तो जब टू लग जाएगा तो वो हो जाएगा के लिए, और दैट लग जाएगा तो सो दैट। तो यू कैन सी दैट मैंने आज सिंपली बिकॉज लाइन को मैं ज़रा हाईलाइट कर देता हूँ, सिंपली बिकॉज, राइट। और यहाँ पर द रीज़न वाई, और यहाँ पर तो ऑलरेडी हाईलाइटेड है बिकॉज यहाँ पर देयरफॉर, यहाँ पर दैट्स वाई। तो ये चार कॉम्पोजिशन हो गई कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस की, जहाँ पर आप एक सेंटेंस को 4 बार उपयोग कर सकते हो। एक लास्ट एग्जांपल बोल के मैं अपनी स्पीकिंग को फिनिश करता हूँ। सो द लाइन इज, ही पुट्स ऑन स्टाइलिश ड्रेसेस बिकॉज ही वाना लुक हैंडसम, और ही वाना लुक हैंडसम, हेंस he puts on stylish dresses. The reason why he puts on stylish dresses is simply because he wanna look dashing, he wanna look handsome. Or last but not the least, he puts on nice dresses, stylish dresses in order that he can look handsome या फिर dashing. So in this way you can make lot of examples. So keep practicing, keep making lots of examples. It will not get set by the help of 1 or 2 sentences. You'll have to create hundreds of sentences. Then it will get set. You will be able to speak fluent English. So now I would like to conclude my speaking. I'll meet you in my next video. Goodbye.